Oh, hey guys. We did it. 1,000 subscribers. Took long. I'd say almost 2 years. But thank you guys so much for subscribing and staying with me. I know I've been a little slacking lately as far as the videos go, but I'm going to make up for it with these bad boys right here. What I have is a couple of cutting boards from the black walnut that I used for the countertops upstairs in the laundry. I'll link it above if you haven't seen that video. But these bad boys, I had some extra left over, so I cut it up. I just put in a little router edge here for juices and a couple finger edges to pick it up. And they came out nice, so I'm just finishing them up now and sand them all up. I got 2 of them I'm going to give away. And what I want you to do is, I'm going to keep this simple. Obviously this is what it looks like with some coating on it. I have some salad bowl coating, which is food safe. I can either do that, or I can do mineral oil, or if you want it unfinished and you want to put your own mineral oil on or anything like that, you can do it yourself. So what you're going to do is, I'll leave the links below. You're going to go down in the links below, go to Instagram. There's going to be one contest on Instagram and one contest on Twitter. So what you're going to do is go to each of those. You're going to enter a comment as to whether you want it unfinished, salad bowl coating, or if you want mineral oil. And I'll do any one of those and then I'll ship it out to you, or if you're local you can pick it up. So that's all you got to do. And then what I'm going to have you do, obviously if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe first. There'll be a link below for that too. And then what I'll do is I'll finish these up however the winner, and I'll leave a link to the website for the restrictions and everything as far as what you have to do. And then what I have is there's going to be a I have a program that'll pick out a random selection, so it'll be all random as far as I'll just take all the comments and names off of the Twitter and Instagram and put it into a random selector, and then one person will get chosen out of each one of those to win these. So yeah, you just got to find some boxes to ship them out in, and then I'll wrap them up real nice. And 2 of you guys will have some beautiful, nice little cutting boards. And what we'll do is we'll make some more videos. So make sure, what I'm going to do is I'll run the contest for, I think, 7 days. I'll run it for a week. So I'll take up all the comments that come in that week, and then we'll pick a winner from that. So that's it. Hit the links down below. Make sure you leave a comment as to what you want done with yours if you win it. And then I will get them finished up and sent out and make some more videos. Leave me some comments if you want in this video as to what you want to see. I was thinking about, I got my hands on some cornhole boards, and I think I might do my own set if anybody's interested in seeing that. I was thinking I have some ideas of how I could do up a neat little cornhole setup. I know there's a lot of different designs out there, but if anybody's interested in that, leave me a comment below. I'll do a video on that maybe in the next couple weeks. Other than that, I got some more stuff coming up. Just give me some time here to get it all edited up, and we'll be in good shape. So anyways, that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for getting to 1,000. Leave your comments on Instagram and Twitter for this contest in particular, and make sure you share it with everybody that's not involved that might want to subscribe and get themselves a nice little cutting board. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Take care.